Hi there. Have you got a laundry space that is really small and you have a problem keeping everything in it? You need help organizing it? My name's Janet McHugh and I'm here to help you. Give me just a second. I'll show you what's behind the door. This is my small laundry room, but I find a spot for everything. Here's my washer. Usually right here is where I keep my brooms. I've been cleaning house, so they're not there right now. I've got a cupboard on this side. Not only is my cupboard full on both sides, but at the top we keep extra stuff. A couple extra sheets and extra camping stuff. And it's picnic stuff too. Okay, so that's that side. This will just be a real quick video. Give you some tips at the end. Over here's my dryer. And on my dryer, I keep a little, here's one tip. Keep a little garbage can like you'd keep by an office on top of my dryer. That way when I clean out my vent, I pull my vent, put everything in my garbage that's right there because my laundry room is so small. And then I wipe the top of my dryer down. That way I don't have to worry about any lint or fuzz getting everywhere. Now when we moved into this apartment, this shelf you see right here was the only shelf here. However, we went and talked to them, and my guy put up a matching shelf up at the top here, okay? When we do move out, it'll be there still because it matches and it looks like it belongs there. It's a little deeper, you can tell. Then I took the extra piece from this shelf and I went to Home Depot and I bought a few chains and I hung the little piece and I took one of my little folding baskets. Now, let's back up again. I keep all my laundry stuff right here. Make use of that space. Bleach is behind, extra bottles. Back here I've got my stain removers and cleaning agents. Any bottles I have, spray bottles. This is actually OxyClean in a different bottle. And this is my Febreze fabric softener that I keep. I hang them up on here, making use that way they're not up on the shelf. You can see my hangers. I have them sorted out nicely, uniform hangers and regular clothes hangers. We also threw in our plastic bags over here on a wall on a nail. Then up at the top we've got extra kitchen stuff. Extra box of garbage bags. That's where I keep my vinegar. Back there's an iced tea machine. And those are some more kitchen appliances that we don't use quite as often. So we've made the use of every inch of this space just to show you. When I'm not using them, I keep my laundry baskets right there in between, and that is my scrub bucket that I use to scrub things or to soak delicates in. This is my folding hanger that I hang things on outside. Since it's so nice here all the time, I can usually hang something out, my delicates, my leggings and light t-shirts out on the balcony or out on the patio. Okay, and then my dryer racks, my dryer sweater shelves, my guy put a nail up there, and then we staggered them on top of each other, and there's 4 sweater racks there. So when I say we've used pretty much every inch of this laundry room, but we not only got all of our laundry stuff in it, but we got a lot of extra stuff in it too. That's exactly what I mean. So a couple tips for the day. First one would be, get one of these, they're like a terry cloth. We use them on our motorcycles and cars and everything. They're great for cleaning up in your laundry room, for getting the fuzz off of your dryer. That way nothing gets around in your clean clothes. Stay clean. If you got wire racks, hang your hangers on them. I take them right out of my closet, put them there when we take a shirt off or pants off that are hung up. That's where they go. Sort your hangers by size. Keep everything nice and neat and organized. It makes it easier for you. And if you do live in an apartment and want to have room for an extra little shelf like that, we just went and talked to them and said, hey, this is what we want to do. We described it. We told them it would match and look nice, and they're fine with it. They said that's fine because it's pretty much a match on everything. And then when we move out, it's just a matter of a thumbtack and a nail there. Another quick tip on keeping your laundry room clean: vacuum your fan. That pulls down and you can actually vacuum up in there, and it'll help keep it from getting noisy. If it's noisy, that means it's probably dirty. Vacuum it. And when I clean the outside of my washer. And you can tell where I dry my washcloths. Washcloths and rags go there to dry. And when you clean the whole inside of your washer. This is actually a really old wash machine, but I keep it clean. At least once every other week, sometimes once a week, I go through it and I wash it. It's time to wash the washing machine again. I don't go buy anything fancy. I put some old towels in there, and I take and run it through with bleach water and borax in it, and it does the trick. And then I put it on hold on the cycle and put on some gloves and scrub the center agitator on it, and it works really well for that. Don't forget, if you angle it, you'll get up under the lid better. Don't forget to do around your knobs. Okay, I wipe down the front, and Windex works wonders on the front of your washer, the top of your washer. There went my camera. Your dryer. It also works on your light switches, your door jamb. Works all the way up there. So, I hope this has been a helpful video. Again, from a distance you can see it's, even when I open the door, it does look pretty neat. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Janet M, and look for more tips. My last tip for the day was keep Windex on hand, because you'd be amazed at what you can clean with it. And I have another video coming up very soon on everything you can clean using Windex. Things I learned when I was in the Army, and you would really be surprised at what some of those items are. Thank you and have a great night. Bye.